walking again, looking for something to eat. People have a look at this one. It's going my feet. Ooh, it likes me.
Come on, grab a check.
Look at that one.
I'm a little smarter than that.
Don't get too close on your face, boy.
Yeah, I don't have any. I'm not gonna.
Oh, he really likes me. Can you pick him up and put him back in here? He's really eyeing my shoes. That one too.
No, he's going back. Honey, you might want to.
He's probably trying to get in the sun.
All the daycare kids. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, we're still looking for food. Alright, we're gonna go Mexican, I think. We're gonna go Barrio. Barrio, Barrio. Alright, we're ending up eating at the Beach Deli. It's right here. It's a really cool restaurant, small deli. It's a small deli actually. It's really cool. We'll have to try the food though.
Get a GoPro footage. They skydive out of the air in a car.
Cool.
They all died instantly upon impact.
Okay, so this is what we have. Looks yummy. Ooh, that's Isaiah's. Looks yummy. And this is mine. Goodbye.
Oh wow.
So good. Mmm.
That's just weird.
Mmm, that's so good. Jackie, you gonna eat yours?
Yeah, I am, but I'm not gonna eat it while you're recording me.
We got napkins. Thank you. That is really good. Really fresh. Meat is really good. There's a lot of vegetables in it. Really thick. Really good. It's a good price. What do you think, Isaiah? Yeah? 2 thumbs up? Ooh, that looks so good. We just got done eating, so we're gonna go back to the park and bring Karina some sandwich. Oh, somebody's. All right, you're welcome.
That's right. No, thank you.
Okay, there's a lot of bikers in here.